Hey everyone, thanks for joining me. So this is just a quick intro video for a couple things that I'm working on. I was cleaning up my craft room, and as you can see here, I have a Sterilite, or one of them containers, iris container, and it was a kit that I made probably a year or two ago. And it was mostly scraps and stuff I wanted to get rid of, and embellishments. And as I was cleaning my room, I was like, what is in this thing? And well, I decided that I needed to do some sort of series on using up maybe kits you've done in your home, that you've done in your craft room with stash. And so, as you can see, there's all kinds of goodies in here. There's stuff that I got from back in the Pocket Page era. There's stickers, there's cut aparts, there's ephemera, there's wood chips, there's wood veneer, there's all kinds of things in here. There's ribbon. So I'm going to do a weekly series, which will be on Tuesdays, using what's in this kit and only in this kit. I may have to add some like thickers for titles and things like that. Plus, I also have a drawer that's here by my desk that has random ephemera, like things that either I forgot to put away and now I don't know where they belong. So I'm just showing you what I have here, but I will be using stuff from that drawer as well. I'm not adding any paper unless it's cardstock for, to back my page as a, but I plan on using all of these things, and some of these things are really old. Like there is like, blue paper is from Imaginance. That's an SEI rub-on. I don't even know if they work anymore. There's like literally 3 stickers on this sticker sheet. Glassine bag. I mean, there's so much stuff. There's an awesome cut apart. There's lots of things that I can definitely use, which the video that I released yesterday does have scraps from this container. So, I figured I'd throw that out there. So yeah, so this is going to be my Tuesday video for the next 4 weeks. I plan on killing this as much as I can. Now, this is a paper pad. There's still quite a few pieces of paper in there. I don't see me using it all up, but there's also scraps in there. But I just kind of kept it together. I don't even know where it came from or what brand it is, but it's very thin paper. And so, yeah, so I have all these other scraps. We're going to work on this. We're going to make a couple layouts. I may even throw in a mini album, like a mini book or something. And then my second video of the week will start on Thursdays for the next 4 Thursdays. And that will be a kit that I also found while I was cleaning out my room that is a Best of Both Worlds inspired kit. And it was for the October scrapbooking, October, I think, or November, for her Best of Both Worlds video. So you're going to see me use that on Thursdays. I am going to bust both of those. I'm not pulling anything new out. I have some exciting things for April. So if you are interested, let me know. If there's anything that you want to suggest, let me know. If you want to bash something, do it with me. Let's get rid of some of this old stuff that we have in our craft rooms that we're hoarding, because I've realized that my style has changed. For example, Kiwi Lane, that's not my style anymore. I mean, I really like some of their things, but I was having a really hard time using it because my style has changed. And here I'm bringing out that, oh, there it is, October Best of Both Worlds. So we're going to be bashing this as well. And, I'm not poo-pooing on Kiwi Lane, but you know, if it doesn't work for me anymore and I'm having trouble using it, then it needs to go. And I've never made a cent off of Kiwi Lane because I really didn't push their, I'm not a salesperson. And although I was a creative instructor or whatever it was called, I didn't really push to sell stuff. So I was paying for their everything that I used from them. So I will be destashing it soon. So if you're interested in anything specific, send me a message. I will more than happily, reply. And if I have it, if I have extras, because I do have a couple extra sets of each, thing, because I was planning on doing class kits. So yeah, sorry about that. My dogs were going crazy. So as you can see, I already created one layout from this kit. So join me for the month of March. I will be stash busting both of these kits. Let me know in the comments if you're going to join me in doing some stash busting. And if you have any questions or anything you want to, let me know. Leave me a comment. You're more than welcome to send me a Facebook request, Instagram DM. I have all my information down below in the descriptions. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm looking forward to my next video. Have a great day.